Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I am out at Norwood Young America today, and right now I am burying the water lines under the gravel, and I just started, so probably gonna take me a couple hours to do this. If I would have to say, maybe something like that. But turn around and show you what it looks like when the lines are buried, and then show you how I'm doing it. This is just the way I came up with. It seemed to make the most sense. So here we go. This is the dig, water, irrigation, drip line system. All right, turning around. All right, as you can see in the, you can see the hose going up the side of the bed, right there. Oh, hose is buried, and as you can see here, I'm using these little landscape staples, if you can see that, right here. And so every few feet I'm putting landscape staples to keep the hose in place, and then just obviously just burying the hose. And it's a few inches down, so nothing's gonna happen to it. Yeah, so that's, and it's still, you know, there's still access to it in case something happens and it needs to be worked on. So, but just try to make it look pretty in here and hide all this line, and yeah, and then tomorrow having someone come out and weed all these beds while I have some other things I need to do out here, so on the property. So, but my days of this build and installation are coming to an end soon. I tried to set up my timers this morning, the smart timers at, it's called a ratio smart hose timer, and well, I could not connect to the hub, the wireless hub. So either keep trying or take them back and get a different system, different timer system. It still does the same thing. It will hook up to an iPhone or an Android app, and then you can control your watering system from anywhere. And since the homeowner here lives off-site, he doesn't live here, so he'll be able to do that from his house to make sure everything's being watered. But anyway, that's all I got. I'll take some more videos and pictures after I get all this hose buried. Obviously I have a long way on this row, so I have 4 rows to do, and then the idea I came up with over here, so they're all going to be buried, and then they're going to come out here. They're going to be exposed out here, but I'm going to throw mulch. I'm throwing cardboard over this stuff, and then I'm going to put mulch over the top of it. And that's going to hide the hoses here. And then here, I am running the hose through this PVC pipe, and I'm going to bury that in the ground. And the hoses will come out at the end over there and over here. So just basically, there you go, simple. This is a high traffic area, so I want them to have the hoses protected underground. And also it will be accessible if anything happens. Just dig it up. But that's what I got. Have an amazing day. Started out kind of cold this morning, but look, it's pretty nice out now, getting warm. But grow food, not lawns, my friends. I will talk to you soon. See ya.